come to another elevator at Ikea. This is also a Baxter & Sons elevator. Sorry about that other one. It was just messed up. We were going back down to one, and then it waited forever. So we're going. This one shouldn't make the same mistake. This one should be better. Oh, check out their cafeteria right here. Great cafeteria. Wait. Okay, here it is. This is probably also Baxter. Okay, close. Door closed. One. Yeah. Door closed. Wow, door closed works. Yeah, this is Baxter & Sons. Okay, didn't make that mistake. Wait, no, it's Schindler. Actually, it's Schindler. And it's... Oh. Actually, it's Schindler, I guess. Wait, no, we're going to go back up.
Go back up?
Schindler.
Schindler elevator?
Yeah, it's Schindler, not Baxter & Sons, because I kind of noticed that ring from the...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, close. Well, yeah.
This is the bakery on the bottom.
This is our Schindler. That other one's also a Schindler too.
Really?
Schindler. Made a mistake on this video, but they're both Schindler.
Yeah.
No, it's good.